taking my dog out for a walk. This is Sunday morning, so it's wonderful. The cars are not around and lots of birds chirping. And we are in the center of Bangkok, believe it or not, so there's a lot of birds and still fauna around. Come on, Friday. We had some rain yesterday. Long time we didn't have any, so the air is a bit cooler today because it's been really hot for quite a few months. Down here there's the embassy of Sweden, the residence. There's really nice houses in this road, so I really like coming through here. Sorry, I'll have to pause. My dog is going to do a necessity. I'll continue in a bit.